Your BNTouch dashboard is organized into several subtabs, each containing useful tools and information. The fifth subtab, In Processing, provides a visual overview of your in-processing pipeline, allowing you to see how your clients are progressing through their mortgage process. The topmost section, the In-Processing Graph, can be used to keep track of client milestones and detailed reports of your loans currently in processing. You can change the graph style using the drop-down in the upper left. The drop-down to the right allows you to choose between whether the values displayed are the number of unique clients at each stage or the total values of the loans for the clients in that stage. You can hover over the data in the chart to get more detailed information about clients at that stage of processing. You can view a detailed in-processing report by clicking the button in the upper right. The menu icon right below will allow you to print or save the chart as an image file. Below, a table will display by default called your in-processing list. Here you can see your in-processing clients in a row with the dates that they reached each milestone stage in columns to the right. You can narrow the list to only show records that have been assigned to you using the checkbox above the list. The blue name links for each client can be used to open their record in your CRM, and the symbols next to each milestone date will denote whether the date the client reached a new stage was ahead of schedule, on schedule, or behind their projected date. The tabs at the top of the in-processing list can be used to see graphs and charts based upon the data for this list. In the Extended Processing Report, you can narrow the results by CRM user and either the number of records at each milestone or the total value of loans. You can also use the Extra Field link to the right to choose additional fields from each client's record to add to the list below the graph. You can also download this report as a CSV file using the link below. The Summary Report tab will instead show separate graphs for each in-processing stage, letting you know how many clients or the total loan value for each CRM user in your business for each stage. You can use the drop-down menus above the graphs to narrow the data, change the chart type, which value to display, and the time period you wish to analyze. Below the charts, you'll see a list of each user in your office that shows how many clients have progressed to each step in the loan process, allowing for easy comparison with previous weeks and months.